Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this bench. This should take about 20 minutes to assemble and you don't need any additional tools. So let's get into it. We're going to start by taking this back piece and we're going to attach the arms to it. So these brackets on the edges are going to line up here and they're just going to slide together. So this one goes on this side. So we'll just line up those brackets and slide them together. And then same thing on this other side. Will slide together. And then next we'll take the baseboard or the footboard and this will also slide in. And with this we just want to make sure that these little overhang corners are along the bottom edge as we put it in. So these brackets will also line up here and they'll slide together. And then we'll seat that in fully. Good, and then we can stand up the whole thing. Next, we'll take these bottom pieces and we'll insert them so that these cutouts are on the front corners. So those will both rest inside on the ledges. And then next we can take the cushion, and this is just going to rest on the ledges inside here. And then with the handle, it can be hanging out or it can be tucked in. So either way. So we'll just make sure that's pressed into place and then we're done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new bench. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.